Sisters, brothers, siblings in the Episcopal Church in Northern Indiana, grace and peace be with you in Jesus, the risen Christ. Hello, friends. It's Sunday afternoon, the 3rd of August. I'm standing here at St. James in Goshen. We just had a wonderful celebration this morning of the Eucharist, installing Nolan Ryan, a new priest in our diocese, to serve as curate and curate-in-charge at St. John's in Elkhart and St. James here in Goshen. We also had the privilege of receiving Deacon Edith and Father Jerry. They come from the Anglican Church in South America, having served in the Diocese of Peru, moved here a little more than a year ago, and by God's providence, we're able to receive them as we look at developing an intentional Latina ministry here in Elkhart County in relationship with our sisters and brothers and siblings at St. Thomas, Santo Tomas, and also exploring the possibility of relationships with our friends at the cathedral. Nolan, would you like to say anything at this point in time? How's it going here for you?
I'm really enjoying being here so far. And I feel like I almost have my feet under me. So.
Pastor Terry, how are things going here?
I think they're going great. So I've already been gone 2 Sundays. Nolan has presided at 2 funerals already, so he's jumped in with both feet and doing a great job from everyone's.
And thank you for your commitment to helping oversee this ministry. I'm honored that you said yes to that.
Yeah.
Deacon Edith, say hi to your friends here in Northern Indiana.
Dios es bueno en todo tiempo y creemos que en este tiempo es la voluntad de Dios iniciar y caminar con ustedes en este camino que el Señor nos ha mostrado. Oremos unos por los otros y caminemos firmes en Cristo.
Father Jerry.
Como obispo, realmente para mí es una gran alegría y una emoción el poder unirme a este equipo de trabajo de aquí, de la Diócesis del Norte, ¿no? de los Estados Unidos, y sobre todo trabajar y conocerlos a cada uno de ustedes. Eso me llena de emoción, de alegría. Estoy muy agradecido con ustedes.
Thank you very much. And friends, this is really an answer to prayer. I've been praying for this opportunity in Elkhart County now for 9 years, and God's doing something with us. God wants us to do something with what's possible here. More to come. Grace and peace be with you.